Hello, my name's Ian for Bathroom Brands, and today we're going to be showing you a short video on how to clean your bath. These are the tools required for this job. So, tools we're using today will be normal soap and water and a lint-free cloth, and there are a couple of other products we'll show you as we go to help you clean. So, as with all your bathtubs, you want to try and clean your bathtub as quick as possible once you've used it, to avoid any build-up of lime scales, oils and things like that, and plus it will avoid any staining and will be much easier to clean. So with normal soap and water, you spray around your tub everywhere that you need to clean to cover the whole area. When going around taps and fittings, rather than spraying the area around that, you want to spray directly onto the cloth to avoid any oversprays onto your brassware products. And if possible, you ideally want to remove your plug from the bath as well, so you don't get any cleaning products or materials onto the rubbers of the plug. So if you come across an area of the bathtub which is a stain or won't come off, there are a few products that you can use other than the soap and water, starting with normal household toothpaste. That can go onto the area that you need to and will polish off sort of nice and easily, and will enable you to remove any particular stains or marks that you may have on the edge of your bathtub. If the toothpaste doesn't work, you can then go on to a household cream cleaner, and then if needs be, you can use an automotive or professional polish like T-Cut or Auto Glim, something like that. That's all you should need to do to keep your bathtub looking clean and shiny. So thank you for watching our short cleaning video. If you need any other videos, you can find them on our website.